ओके, तो आज हम लोग सेशन 10 ऑफ द CIT स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। रिज्यूम लर्निंग। सबसे पहले हमारा है ऑनलाइन लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म फ्लिप एंड रिवील। स्टार्ट करते हैं। ऑनलाइन लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म फ्लिप एंड रिव्यूज। स्टार्ट। What does SMARTing goal setting stand for? Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time bound. Which course provider is associated with the Harvard and MIT? ADX. You cannot set goals when learning online? False. Khan Academy offers free math and science content? True. Drag the term its correct definition. Structured learning, I think organized goals with a timeline. SMART goals, specific, measurable. Podcast, audio listener, available online. Accreditation, official recognition. Describe how to use podcast effectively for learning. Listen carefully and write down important points. Fill in the blank. BBC Learning English focuses on vocabulary and pronunciation. Listening, vocabulary and pronunciation, I think. Sorry, grammar. Fill in the blanks. To avoid distraction while using YouTube, focus on educational content. YouTube can help in competitive exam preparation. True. Google Digital Garage focuses on fashion designing. False, I think. Digital learning करते हैं. Match acts to purpose. Duolingo हो गया आपको लैंग्वेज गेम्स है. मेमोराइज वर्ड्स के लिए है. ओके. BBC गूगल पॉडकास्ट तो ऑडियो लर्निंग लिसनिंग के लिए होता है. स्पीकर वीडियोस BBC लर्निंग एंड memorize speaker videos, BBC learning, English grammar. Flip and reveal, just click it. Okay, cut. Coursera, cut. Khan Academy, cut. TEDx, cut. And then next. 10 by 10. Now हम लोग चलेंगे find and compare two online courses for the same skill. Next. Okay. Start. What is the first step when searching for two online courses for the same skill? Identify the specific, choose the most. गलत हो गया. Enroll with the reading detail. The pick a random course. No. Identify the specific skill. Which factor is most important when comparing two online courses? Course content, instructor query, and student reviews. Why are course reviews and rating useful when comparing courses? They show how much learner like the benefit the course. What should you check before enrolling in any online course? Course syllabus, price and certification option. The most expensive course is always the best choice. False. Reading course description help you understand what skill will be taught. True. Comparing multiple courses helps you make a better and more informed decision. True. Drag each step to its correct order for finding and comparing two online courses. Course syllabus instruction review, identify the skill you want to learn. उसके बाद choose the course that best fits you need. फर्स्ट सेकेंड हो जाएगा, सर्च करेंगे कोर्स को, फिर चूज करेंगे और फिर कंपेयर करेंगे। एक्सक्यूज मी, कंपेयर पहले करेंगे, लास्ट में चूज करेंगे। Drag each factor to the correct category. Comparison factor not important. Okay, comparison factor and not important. Course syllabus, comparison factor. Instructor experience important. Website color not important. Certification ability important. Match each course's feature with its purpose. Course syllabus, so what topic will be covered? Instructor profile, teacher experts, review and rating, learner experience and certification, route completion. Now we are going with the how Duolingo works. Start. What is the main goal of Duolingo? New languages on an interactive way में teach करना. What feature help Duolingo keep motivated to learn every day? Leaderboards and daily streaks. What happens when you complete a lesson on Duolingo? Your earn XP, experience point level up. What is Duolingo's teaching method called? Gamified learning. Duolingo offers lesson in only one language. False. You can use Duolingo for free with optional paid upgrades. I think true. Duolingo helps users to improve reading, writing, listening and speaking skills. True. Drag and drop each item to the correct Duolingo feature. XP. Okay, XP is something learning progress measure करने के लिए. Hearts. Limit the number of mistakes used to unlock special features. I think ये होना चाहिए. Strict. How many days? Change number of mistakes allowed. Sorry. James used to unlock. Correct. Arrange the steps in the correct order to start learning on Duolingo. Download the app, log, choose a language to learn, start your first session. Match the Duolingo term with its correct description. Okay, again, XP. effective days, strict, hard, make mistakes. So, shows your ranking compared to other learners. Points earned for comparing leaderboard. Not sure. Okay, सबसे पहले strict number of consecutive day, XP point earned, hurt, lifts that decrease, leaderboard shows ranking compared to learner. Next, YouTube search challenges. Start. What is the best way to find educational video on YouTube? Specific keyword related to topic. Which filter help you to find recently uploaded educational video? Sort by upload date. What should you look for a YouTube channel to ensure it provides quality educational content? Verified, checkmark, consistent upload and positive comments. What can you do if you want to learn continuously from a specific creator? Subscribe to their channel. Using quotation marks around search term, you will find more accurate results. False. Maybe. True. You cannot save educational video for watching later on YouTube. False. YouTube's playlist feature help organize video by topic or lesson. True. Drag and drop each action under the correct purpose. Use a specific keyword, narrow down your search result, find the exact topic you need. Okay. Watch later, save to playlist and stay organized. Use filters, search results, subscribe, get updates from trusted creators. Arrange the steps in the correct order for finding quality educational video. When YouTube, type keyword, filters and check video credibility. Match each YouTube feature with its correct function. Playlist. Collect related video in one place. Subscribe. Follow our channel for regular update. Filter. Narrow down search result. Watch later. Save video for any time. 9 by 10. Next. इस तरह हमने IT का सेशन 10 कंप्लीट किया.